Hello and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. For this video, I've come to the Missouri Botanical Garden here in St. Louis, Missouri to check out this special exhibit they've got going on. I think it goes from now until September. It's called Patterns in Nature, LightForm. Well, I'm actually here towards the evening time because this exhibit, you can, during the day it looks one way, and at night it's all lit up. It's colorful, looks different. So I've come to check it out here at night. This Patterns in Nature was created by HYBYCOZO. That's HYBYCOZO. And I've just, heard a lot of good things about it, so we've come to check it out. So let's go and check it out! They give you this handy-dandy brochure, which unfolds into a map of this area of the Botanical Garden, where you can see where each of the sculptures is located.
Grab my lunch and then go sit my lunch.
These pieces here, they actually turn. You can turn them around like a little top or a merry-go-round.
Yeah, it's a very cool perspective. I think it is too. I mean, no, of course I've seen it in the United States.
Now that we've seen these all by day, let's see how they look at night. Light forms.
Yeah, I finally got the white one.
Now I can actually enjoy them.
No way.
Inside.
No way.
Went into plumbing. This Henry Shaw's house right over there.
No way.
I've joked with him about pictures.
And then, look at mine now. Leaning towards the center.
They should have had them change colors if it turned so much.
Yeah, that'd be cool. Fun to have one of those. If it just sells. Yeah, exactly. I keep the kids busy. Yeah. Fast over here. We need that bunch of fruit. Yeah.
Right there. Yeah, they had one right on.
Yeah.
You know, right next door. Rows of houses. Yes.
Well, it is. My mom tried it. One of these is exactly the same, but nevertheless. Oh, I got it. There's this one, and then you go down that way, and that's where the gazebo is, and that's so cool. Yeah, this one looks like that.
It goes up to
Look at there, what you really got a little face to fill. Without a warrant, broke my heart.
So that was Patterns in Nature, LightForm, and also just Patterns in Nature, the art of HYBYCOZO. Those are the artists. They take their name from something in the Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. It's an abbreviation there. Anyway, really cool exhibit there at the Missouri Botanical Garden here in St. Louis, Missouri. If you get an opportunity, if you like art, if you like mathematics, if you like nature, it's a great exhibit to come see. The Missouri Botanical Garden, about twice a year, they have exhibits kind of like different things like that throughout the garden, displays. They've been really cool. They had the Cholula glass a few years ago. It was really awesome. They had I can't remember the artist's name. I think his studio is out in North Dakota, I believe, or might be South Dakota. But there's this artist who makes these giant origami animals, but they're permanent sculptures. They had an exhibit of those a couple years ago. This is another really cool exhibit there in the Missouri Botanical Garden. So if you get an opportunity while they're still here, I believe at least the night form goes until the end of August, I believe, and then you won't be able to see the light forms, the night stuff. The day ones, I believe, are still there through the middle of September of 2026. If you've liked this video, hit that like button. If you disliked, hit the dislike button. Subscribe to my channel for further content and ring that bell for email notifications. And if you have a suggestion about some future video you'd like to see me do, leave a comment in the comment section. I thank you for watching, and this has been another adventure in TV land. Until next time, that's a wrap.